Good morning, everybody. It's me, Mama Hen, with picknandascratchoff. I am back again with another small scratch session here on these low boy tickets. So I have 10 of these $2 Ohio Lottery Cash Explosion 10X tickets. I have tickets numbers 65 through 74. So let's take a look at this ticket and see what it says. The overall odds of winning are 1 in 4.19. And the top prize is $10,000, or you can win a $1,000 claimer. And we are looking for the word cash to win all 10 prizes, or a 5 or 10x multiplier, or the word entry here. So let's get scratching on ticket number 65. Let me back out of here just a little, and let's see what we can scratch up here this morning. Hopefully we can scratch us up a jackpot winner here, or a profit session. So we've got a 1x multiplier, and our winning numbers are 12 and 25. All right, woohoo! First scratch, first match. Come on, Petunia. 12 and 25. Let's get us started. There we go. 25. Come on, Petunia. 12 and 25. You're on a roll. Alrighty. We have 1 and 2. So way to get us started. Woohoo! We got $2 back out of our $20 spent. Alright. Ticket number 66. A 1x multiplier. And our winning numbers are 20 and 8. 20 and 8. You notice 12 brought me the win on that last ticket. There's 12 and 18. Come on, tickets. We are looking for a 20 or an 8. Trying to go back to back, and we couldn't make it. It's all right. Let's move on to ticket number 67. Come on, 67. A 1x multiplier. 29 and 12. There's 12 again. 29 and 12. 29 and 12. Nope. All right, moving on to ticket number 68. 68, you're looking great. Come on, 68. Ooh, a 10x. 19 and 2. There's 2 2s. Think that'll count? Think I can convince them? All right. 19 and 2. Nope. Rotten eggs again. All right. Moving on to 69. 69, you're looking fine. Bring us a win, a 10x. 24 and 19. 24 and 19. Come on, Petunia. 24 and 19. Nope. Not on that ticket. All right, number 70. Help us out here. We got $2 back so far out of our 20. Our winning numbers are 4 and 2. 4 and 2. Nope. All right, number 70. All right, 71. All right, we got an entry. And and 72. 10x. Come on, give us a win, 72. 22 and 7. 22 and 7. No rotten eggs. All right, 2 more tickets to scratch. 73. What's it gonna be? 2 and 6. All right, woohoo, we found a 6. And another 6. $1 and $2. Woohoo! $4 back now out of our 20. Can we go back to back on our last ticket and maybe find us a boom? 74. Come on, 74. Another entry. So we didn't do it. We didn't bust. At least we found $4 back out of our 20, which wasn't a great session, but... And I got a phone call in the middle of that, so I'm not sure where I left off. So we didn't have a bust. We did get $4 back out of our 20. So it wasn't a great session, but it wasn't a bust. And then we found 2 entries. So it'll be an awesome session if they draw my entries and I can make it on the Cash Explosion TV show here in Ohio. So thanks for joining me, everybody. Take care. Have a great and awesome day. I will catch you all on the next video. Please remember to be kind and nice and respectful to one another and treat each other with love and kindness. And remember the golden rule to treat others how you want to be treated. And I'll catch you all on the next video. Thanks. Take care. Bye.